Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 10th of October 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, an estimated 22,000 jobs in the wind manufacturing industry could be created in Appalachian Ohio and neighboring states in the coming decades. The region's existing skilled workers, manufacturing history, and unique geography could make the Buckeye State a key player. The evolution of the energy sector doesn't mean that Appalachia has to lose its place as a driving force behind energy production in the U.S. India plans to open up its retail electricity market for private companies nationwide, ending the dominance of state-run distributors in most states. This is according to a draft bill by the Federal Power Ministry showed on Friday. The move will allow private companies such as Adani Enterprises, Tata Power, Torrent Power, and CESC to strengthen their presence across the country. Only a handful of India's electricity distribution zones are currently privatized as the rules do not specifically provide for it. That includes the National Capital Region, Odisha, and industrial states like Maharashtra and Gujarat. At a Powys County Council meeting on Thursday, October 9th, a motion was brought in front of councillors to support the call asking the Welsh Government to pause applications. They are asking for this pause until it has answered three important aspects for developing these energy projects. These applications are considered as developments of national significance. They are processed by Welsh Government planning inspectors at Planning and Environment Decisions Wales. These inspectors advise a government minister on what decision to take. A public consultation of the Committee on Economic Affairs and Energy on Monday, the 13th, will focus on the acceleration of approval procedures for the construction of wind turbines at sea and of electricity grids. The basis is the draft law on the implementation of the EU Renewable Energy Directive in the fields of wind energy at sea and electricity grids, introduced by the federal government. The law provides for the introduction of acceleration areas for wind energy at sea or infrastructure areas for transmission grids, distribution grids, and offshore connecting lines. Early last year, Salem Port partnered with a state economic development agency and the maritime transportation company Crowley Wind Services to build a major wind port. The plan was to serve the growing offshore wind industry. Parts for the huge turbines would come in, be pre-assembled in the facility, and sent out into the ocean for new offshore wind farms. They were planning for an industry that was expected to boom in the coming years. But for now, at least, Salem's project is on hold. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.